Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install and set up custom LED lamp notifications on your Xiaomi Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus. So in order to do this, we'll need to open Google Play Store. From here, begin a search for an app and enter Notify Buddy. Hit the search button, select this app and install it. Now after installation process will be completed, the app will be ready to open. From here, let's move to the next step and we'll need to grant it two permissions. First is display over the other apps permission and select Notify Buddy, allow display over the other apps. Move back, do the same thing with notification permission, find Notify Buddy and allow notification access. But here we'll need to wait for 10 seconds and accept this option right here. Click OK when the time passes, go back. And here's battery optimization, which is optional. You don't need to disable it unless the app doesn't work properly. Now let's move to the next step, click OK, and right here we'll be able to start using your app. From here we can find 4 tabs, which is User, System, Active and Settings. In the User you can select any apps to allow custom LED lamp notifications for, so let's pick Facebook. In the System you can find all system related apps, and here let's click on Google Chrome. In the Active you can find all apps that you've just activated, and in the Settings you can change everything about your LED lamp, like its color, size, place on the screen, shape, whatever you want. But some of the options are locked behind the premium version. Now let's click on the test, and right here we'll be able to see our LED lamp. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.